All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Our is doing well this Wednesday morning. Obviously, economic data being released out of the U.S. as we speak. U.S. stock markets are not open yet, but reflective of most likely going down, down, down. So, what are you looking to play in today's market? Crypto's already responding to it. It's been happening in the last 4 hours. You can kind of see you had doji candles across the 4 hour, all the way across the last basically 16 hours, 12 hours. Look at that. Some people expected to hop back in here on this one and it didn't. But again, when those doji candles often preview a trait, a change, a reversal, when you get a doji on a 4 hour, if it's green, it's almost 80 some percent probability it's going to turn red. And vice versa. If it's red, there's a probability it's going to turn green. And that's how you have to look at that. So I think a lot of people might have gotten caught in that trap with that green candle, because that green candle was significantly green for 3 hours. But then it's now changed to red, and changed red badly. Okay, not just for that, but also for like Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin. This 4 hour stick we're in right now has been brutal. But if you're looking to buy up, on a swing or a scalp trade, depending on once the market opens and what happens. And what I mean by market, I mean stock market. If it's already baked in, we might see a reversal. So it's a real risk play this morning, to try and get in too early after the market hasn't digested. But if you think it's kind of already baked in, and I'm still a big proponent here of Bitcoin, as long as we don't test and fail that 28,000 level. At 28,000 to 32,000 is kind of like the next zone now that we're in. We've had it from 36 to 42. We had it from 42 to 48. We had it from 48 to 52. Just the setups of where Bitcoin will continue a continuation pattern, right? So 28,000 is a huge, huge support level for Bitcoin. If that were to fall, I mean, that would be devastating for a lot of bulls in the cryptoverse for Bitcoin. It just would. I'm expecting a support to hold, but hey, look, with more and more negative data affecting people, affecting economies, I mean, there's really no doubt here. Look, we've got Bitcoin changing back again lower from that 2936 level. Okay, and so you're going to have to use your average down this morning, like we did on Monday. Use that method of continuing to do lower leverage, averaging it down, averaging your cost basis down to when you get to reversal, and then you can exit your trade. If you're using your buy ups, you can also buy your sell down as a hedge. If you're holding Bitcoin long or Ethereum long in your bag, maybe on Coinbase, Binance, and you're just, you're holding that, you don't want to sell that, you just want to hold on to your tokens, then you can buy leverage short trades and hedge your long bet in your stack. Okay. So in case it does go down to 28 or below, you will profit all the way down without having to sell your underlying coins or tokens in your bag. And that's just a really easy strategy to employ in crypto that a lot of people don't employ. A lot of people don't know about it, don't know how to execute those trades, don't get the whole okay, I'm buying on spot on Coinbase and probably paying too much in fees, but it's easy. So buying your Ethereum or any of your coins on Coinbase, and then using a leverage exchange to hedge it, because you're not buying leverage on Coinbase. Okay, you're using a leverage trading exchange, so you'd have to move some money over to that exchange, and then place your hedges. It's just a really great strategy, but it does involve two different exchanges. It does involve a little bit more work on the front end, but once you got it set up, you're good to go with being able to do that. Okay. So again, you've got XRP at 41 cents, Ethereum 2182 up right now, Cardano up right now. So we're going to see what's going to happen here. Again, risk time right now. Be careful, but be smart about your entries.